Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we are talking about the capacity and capability building necessary so that we can manage transformation and change businesses. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. We have talked about the importance of people. It is the people that deliver the transformation. There is the risk in how we manage the people, how we build capacity and capability. And this is what we're going to explore further in the session now. I'm going to leave this image up in the background whilst we talk about people and people risk. We've talked already about how it is the empowered individual that wants to undergo transformation, that sees the benefit of it, that influences those around them, that makes the transformation happen. We've talked about how we need the leadership, and we've talked about how integrating that pride and professionalism with ownership and this emergent behavior of empowered individuals delivering the transformation. Now, we know that to manage the risk of people, we have to manage the governance of the risk. That is the leadership, the risk management, the strategic management, and performance management. We've talked about how if you change the environment, you change the behaviors. So to change the environment is a series of ongoing projects for which project management is needed and project management risks exists. We need to build resiliency. We need to improve the management capacities and capabilities to transform the environment, and we need to work through the performance management aspects. If we change the environment, we change people's behaviors. It's about instilling the right behaviors to manage the transformation. And again, it's improving the management. It's the professional skills that are needed. It's creating the necessary expertise, and again, performance management. And it's addressing the operational aspects. I'm going to leave this slide up, and in the room, we're going to talk further about each of these and look at some worked examples. And you're going to bring your case studies and talk about those. For those doing the video, please feel free to enjoy the other videos. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.